name is King Rushdie from Kuramaker, and today we are going to make a Riot Shield Eternal Shogun from Call of Duty Warzone. Let's check it out.
It's all about humanity. About humanity.
Depan aku. 1, 2, 3.
As you guys know, I live stream every single day at kingrushdie.tv Facebook gaming page. And I always play Warzone itself.
Play lagi.
Mau break down.
Mau besar.
Dalam, depan kau. Yeah!
And I really love Call of Duty Warzone, and I was thinking that I want to make one prop about Call of Duty Warzone itself. That is, this is the always people use in Warzone, and it's damn annoying. Okay? It's damn annoying and it's awesome at the same time. So, thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe it below and to like and share it to your friends and family. So let's go to the video.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.
So this is the base of the Riot Shield. As you can see, it have a connector. I use a DIY connector using a PVC pipe. So this is the handle. So this is the back, this is the front, and then we make a detail using foam. So test out durability. Same like Riot Shield. So yeah, it's really good. So let's get into it.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity.
Thank you for watching, guys. I am so grateful and so honored that you guys subscribe to my channel. Now we has reached 1,000 subscriber and we aim for 2,000 subscriber. Can we even get it? Please smash that subscribe button, like and share this video to your friends and family because of this Riot Shield Call of Duty Warzone. Okay? That is all for today. Thank you so much from us, Team Kuramaker. Peace out. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.